How to fix Instagram app not opening. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for Instagram. So launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list, find Instagram, launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Then click on Reinstall app. Next thing you want to do is update the Instagram. So launch Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, give fresh restart to your device. So launch settings, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown, wait for a few minutes and power on your phone. Next up, check internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Likewise, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Instagram from your device. Then again navigate to Play Store or App Store and then install it. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, check whether you are connected to any VPN. If you are connected, disconnect to it. So these are some steps for fixing Instagram app not opening. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.